Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back with me, WDO. Now I'm gonna tell you how to make or to cook delicious fried noodle. So what you need, here they are. These are the ingredients. Now let's jump to the video. First thing you do is heat up the frying pan on the stove, okay? And then the next step is we let it heat for a while, and then we're gonna put in some cooking oil. But first, she is the chef, okay? Now we take the cooking oil and then put in to the frying, okay? Let it heat for a while, and then take the first ingredient. There is some garlic and then onion. We stir it together now. Garlic and onion, you can smell from your home, yeah, it's so yummy. Now the next thing we're gonna put in is the vegetable. Yeah, the first one we're gonna put is this one. Yeah, the green the spring onion. Yeah, spring onion, I'm sorry. After that we put in some carrot. Wow, yeah, of course first you need to chop it so it the shape of a stick. Yeah, it look like a shape of stick, the carrot, so it will more appetizing. Yeah, so you will more willing to eat it. Okay, now we put in some eggs. Yeah, according to your need. Yeah, maybe you can put 1 or 2 or 3 eggs, yeah, to add some creaminess. Now after you put in your egg, don't forget to stir it together. Yeah, something like this. Okay, yeah, something like that. And then maybe we need more eggs, we're gonna add more eggs. Yeah, but if you think 1 is enough, yeah, only 1. Yeah, but I guess 1 is not enough. Yeah, because we're gonna make it creamy. Yeah, so we add more egg, and then we stir it together again. Okay, now the next ingredient that we're gonna put in is this one, another vegetable. This is the mustard green. Yeah, as you can see, mustard green. And then now we also put this one, cabbage. Yeah, cabbage. Yeah, okay. Yeah, now we stir it together. Okay, yeah, after a while, yeah, when it is already mixed well, yeah, now we put the main ingredient. Yeah, I mean, no, not the main ingredient. This is for the piece. Yeah, this is oyster sauce. Yeah, oyster sauce. And then this one is okay, raja rasa sauce. And then this one is fish sauce. Okay, something like that. So many sauce you put it in. Yeah, and then now the main ingredient, which is the noodle. Yeah, make sure you already boiled. Yeah, you already boiled the noodle. Yeah, so now we just gonna stir it together with our stuffs. Yeah, then the other ingredient. As you can see, there is the noodle that already been boiled. Yeah, boiled and already been half cooked. Yeah, Now after that we stir it together, yeah, to mix it well. Okay, put some safetiness, yeah. Ooh, as you can see, yeah, maybe if you want to add more creaminess, you can add cooking oil, yeah. Add a little bit of cooking oil so it will be more creamy, yeah. The fried noodle will be more creamy, yeah. But if you already think that is enough, so don't need the cooking oil. Do not need to add the cooking oil, yeah. So now after we stir it, we put some pepper, okay, sorry, pepper, yeah. And then we put MSG, yeah, a little bit if you like, but if you don't have to add the MSG. Okay, now we put the ketchup, okay, tomato ketchup or chili ketchup, yeah. And then we put this one. This is the sweet soy sauce. I mean, yeah, this one is the sweet soy sauce, yeah. And then this one we're gonna put. Next is we stir it together, yeah. We stir it together first, yeah, and then to make it mix well. Now add some pepper, yeah, again, okay, something like that, and stir it together again. Now we add the next ingredient, which is this one, okay, oil, yeah. As I said before, if you need more creaminess, you can add more cooking oil, but if you do not need that, you don't have to add the cooking oil, okay, something like that, as simple as that, yeah. We stir and mix it together again. As you can see, the color is already changed, yeah. It looks more appetizing, yeah. Okay, something like that. Okay, just wait, it kinda well done soon, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna add something more, maybe. Okay, no, maybe we have to taste it first, yeah. Okay, this is the final touch, the celery, yeah, to add more freshness to your dishes, yeah. This is the celery to add more freshness. And then if you think that you need to add something, you just have to taste it first, okay. Maybe we're gonna taste it first, yeah. Yeah, we taste it. Okay, what you think, Chef? You need to add something? No? Okay, the chef is already tasted, yeah. Maybe need some second opinion, yeah. Okay, taste it again. How about that? Already good, already good, already delicious or not? Stir it together again and again, yeah.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way.
Yeah, it's according to your need. Yeah, if you don't need it, you don't have to add it. Yeah, okay, something like that. Now we're gonna put it on the plate. Yeah, thanks for watching my video. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, what you have to do to make this delicious fried noodle. You can try this at home and then tell me in the comment down below what does it taste. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment.